In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reorder images in your Behance project. This is a straightforward process that will help you tailor the presentation of your work. So let's dive right in. First, what you want to do is head over to your Behance profile. Once you're there, browse through your projects to find the specific one you're looking to edit. Keep in mind that organizing your images can greatly impact how viewers perceive your work. A well-ordered project can enhance storytelling and presentation, bolstering the overall impact it has on your audience. When you've located the project you'd like to rework, click on it to open it up. In order to start editing, you'll need to access the project editor. This can be done by selecting the gear icon, which you'll find conveniently situated at the top right corner of your project. This action will take you into the editing mode where you can make the necessary adjustments. Now, let's move on to the main task, reordering your images using the drag and drop method. Within the project, hover over any image where you'd like to make a change. As you move your cursor over the image, pay attention to the appearance of a blue pencil icon. This icon is pivotal, as it signals where you can make edits. Once you see it, go ahead and click on it. Clicking the blue pencil icon will present you with several editing options, one of which is Reorder Project. This is your gateway to rearranging your images. Simply by selecting this, you can grab any image module and effortlessly drag it to your preferred position. The drag and drop technique is incredibly intuitive, allowing you to visualize the changes in real time as you shift images around. This flexibility gives you the power to craft a narrative or visual flow that truly represents your artistic vision. While you're working on reordering, remember that the way images are sequenced can affect your project's narrative. You might want to consider the progression of colors, themes, or the story you want to narrate through your visuals. This meticulous approach can enhance the viewer's experience and the overall cohesiveness of your presentation. Once you've arranged the images to your satisfaction, make sure to save your changes. This ensures that all the adjustments you've made are preserved and reflected in your live project. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily reorder images in your Behance project to better tell your story and showcase your work in the best light possible. I hope this guide has been helpful and has given you the confidence to make these edits on your own projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.